Apparently.
Okay, so I lost the bet. So the deal, or no, you lost the bet. Sorry, since I smoked your ass at pool, I now get to shoot you. So wait.
There you go.
Maybe we should wait. I want the practice shot thing again.
Okay.
You got
What
that.
do you want me to shoot at then?
I don't know.
Okay, you want to record it then?
Yeah.
So how much feet per second is this gun again?
It says 425.
And then the one I shot my arm with in the other video I did was 400. So strong.
And this is running with a .25, so yeah, we're...
Okay, so...
Oh, Jesus! Ow! I caught it! Wow.
Okay, so you ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1.
I don't know what...
Fuck! I kind of grazed your arm though. I kind of missed.
Oh, you fucking got me!
Oh shit!
Oh, that actually like... Wow.
Let's try from here. Oh fuck it! I might just take a shot. I don't mind it.
You want to take a shot?
Why not?
Okay.
I'm taking the shot.
Hey, no. Traitors don't use guns.
Ready? Yeah. It's in my arm! No way! It's in my arm!
Oh, dear Lord.